Get ready for an adventure with these amazing facts about dolphins. Number 10. Family matters. Even though they may appear to be solitary creatures, dolphins are actually highly social animals who live in groups called pods. A pod can have anywhere from 5 to 30 members, and each pod has its own unique culture and set of behaviors. The bonds within these groups are incredibly strong, and dolphins will often stay with their birth pod for life, unless they decide to breed. When a female is ready to mate, she'll leave her pod to find a new one. Males tend to stay put, leaving the females to search for a new home. 9. A world of communication. Dolphins don't just use whistles to communicate underwater. They also use a form of echolocation to navigate and find prey. By emitting a series of clicks, whistles, and other sounds, they can create a map of their surroundings and locate fish up to 60 meters away. Each dolphin has its own signature whistle, much like a name, which helps them identify each other in the water. And get this, scientists believe that dolphins can even recognize themselves in the mirror. Number 8. Sporting champions. You already know that dolphins are super fast swimmers, but did you know that they're also excellent jumpers? Dolphins can leap up to 2 meters out of the water and travel up to 15 meters in a single jump. Now that's impressive. But it gets better. They can even drag a full-grown human underwater with ease, just for fun. And if you think that's all, guess again. Dolphins are such powerful swimmers that they can outrun boats and even cause big waves to crash. Number 7. Diverse diet. Dolphins are carnivorous and their diet mainly consists of fish. However, they are not picky eaters and will consume almost any kind of fish that they can catch. In addition to fish, dolphins also eat squid and shrimp. They use their speed and agility to chase down their prey, and their teeth are perfect for catching and chewing through slippery prey. On average, an adult dolphin consumes between 30 and 50 pounds of fish every year. 6. Masters of adaptation. Dolphins can be found in both salt and fresh water, from hot and cold climates to tropical and temperate waters. They are highly adaptable creatures who can thrive in a variety of environments. There are even some species of dolphins that can survive in caves without any light at all. To make it easier for them to adapt to different environments, dolphins have special glands on their head that help remove excess salt from their bodies. This allows them to drink seawater without any ill effects. Pretty cool, huh? Number 5. A helping fin. Dolphins are known for being playful and curious creatures, but did you know that they are also highly intelligent? In fact, they are one of the most intelligent creatures in the ocean. Dolphins have a brain that is as big as a human brain, and they are capable of solving complex puzzles and tasks. They are also very social animals and are known for being friendly towards humans. Dolphins are often used in water parks and aquariums because of their intelligence and ability to learn tricks. But what really makes dolphins so special is their friendliness. Dolphins are known for being gentle and curious creatures who love to interact with humans. This makes them perfect ambassadors for the ocean and helps raise awareness about the importance of marine conservation. Number 4. The art of flipping. Dolphins can flip and twist their bodies in midair without losing their balance or hurting themselves. It may look like a circus trick, but it's actually just another day in the life of a dolphin. They do this to escape predators, hunt for food, and just for fun. And it turns out that dolphins are so flexible because their ribs aren't connected. This gives them the freedom to move their bodies in ways that we humans can only dream of. Number 3. A mammal, not a fish. Despite living in water and having a fish-like body shape, dolphins are actually mammals. This means that they give birth to live babies and nurse them with milk rather than laying eggs. And unlike fish, dolphins breathe air through lungs, instead of extracting oxygen from water. Dolphins also have fur, although it's very sparse. Newborn calves are totally covered in fur, but it starts disappearing as they grow older. Get this. A dolphin's skin never stops growing. That's right. It's just like us humans. Dolphins need to shed their old skin to make room for new growth. Number 2. An ancient history. Dolphins have been around for a long time, longer than you might think. The earliest ancestors of modern dolphins appeared in the fossil record about 50 million years ago. Ever since then, they've been swimming in the world's oceans. Back in the day, dolphins were much larger than they are today. Some species were over 5 meters long and looked more like giant versions of today's bottlenose dolphins. Over the years, they've evolved into smaller, more agile creatures that are better suited for life in the modern ocean. No. 1. Endangered species. Unfortunately, many dolphin species are endangered. One of the biggest threats to dolphins is pollution. As you probably already know, plastic waste is a major problem in our oceans. And dolphins are often found entangled in discarded fishing nets or eating plastic bags that have been mistaken for food. Another threat to dolphins is habitat destruction, as humans continue to develop coastal areas. Dolphins are losing their natural habitat and being forced into smaller, less hospitable environments. Climate change is also a major threat to dolphins. As the ocean temperature rises, dolphins are being forced to migrate to cooler waters, which can bring them into conflict with humans. We need to do everything we can to protect these amazing creatures before it's too late. We hope you enjoyed learning about dolphins with us. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time. Bye.